Hello everyone, welcome to another lecture in data analysis and science. And in this tutorial, we are going to focus on machine learning essentials. And this is the outline on the essential topics or the prerequisites you have to know in machine learning. I'm going to give you an outline on the essentials we are going to cover. We are going to start by looking into machine learning algorithm, the introduction to machine learning. We are going also to look into data loading for machine learning projects. Where do we get the data for machine learning projects? We are going to take a look also into machine learning statistical attributes. What are the attributes or the method we use in machine learning as per mathematical operations? And also, what are the data spread attributes in machine learning? We are going to take a look into machine learning distribution and plotting, how data is distributed in machine learning, and also how we present data in machine learning, as well as how to interpret the data in machine learning. I'm going also to take a look into machine learning regression, and I'm going to take a look into linear regression, polynomials, and multiple regression. And I'm also going to take a look into machine learning probability and bias learning. I will take a look into machine learning clustering, decision tree, and lastly I will take a look also into train or test in machine learning. So, what is machine learning? Machine learning is the study of computer algorithms that improve automatically through experience by the use of data. It is seen as part of artificial intelligence, and also it is a subset of artificial intelligence which focuses on using statistical techniques to build intelligent computer systems in order to learn from database available to it. Challenges in which people face in machine learning are as follows. Deployment difficulty due to complexity of the machine learning model to meet the real life situation. Failure to represent well the problem due to model overfitting or underfitting. No clear objective to come up with a proper solution for the problem. We have data acquisition time consumption. It takes time to gather data, to collect all the data and structure it so that you be able to present it properly for machine learning. Poor quality of data. Areas of application where you can apply machine learning in real life. You can apply machine learning in weather forecasting and prediction, machine learning stock marketing analysis and forecasting, voice recognition, image recognition, medical diagnosis, learning association and extraction of information. So these are the areas in which machine learning can be applied, and we have a lot of areas where you can apply machine learning skills. Okay, machine learning dataset. So a dataset is any collection of data, for example, array, list, dictionary, and database. So if we are to talk about dataset, then we have to talk also about the data types. In machine learning, we have numeric data type, we have categorical data type, and ordinal data type. Numerical data type is where we have discrete data and continuous data. Categorical data cannot be measured against each other.